Pokemon Legends Arceus is Lovecraftian, but likely not for the reason you think. Arceus' existence doesn't make the story Lovecraftian. The incomprehensible beings aren't what made Lovecraftian horrors horrifying. They were a means to an end. What makes Lovecraftian horror work is the existential dread one experiences when faced with the realization that they're insignificant in the face of the larger universe, a universe which they cannot comprehend. The beings he conceived of were aliens who operated on a level so detached from humanity and so powerful that our feelings on them don't matter. We're to them as bugs or to us.
Yes, Z, you are insignificant.
Pokemon Legends Arceus isn't Lovecraftian from the perspective of the protagonist. It has the foundations for one, what with the protagonist being casually ripped from the present and flung into the past, thrown into a situation where they start out by being ostracized as an outsider, and the fact that they ended up delving into a lost civilization, but it fails for two reasons. One, the PC is a blank slate, an avatar for the player. A story isn't just what the plot is. A story is how the plot affects the protagonist. There isn't an emotional journey for the character, since they aren't a fully realized character. The narrative lacks an inherent internal genre. Even if the PC wasn't a blank slate, the tone of the story isn't one of dread with relation to Pokemon. The people of Hisui feel dread towards Pokemon, but your actions help them further embrace them as companions. The game encourages and rewards you for embracing Pokemon. You're basically a missionary, there to spread the good word of Arceus and his creations to a society who lives in fear of them. From your perspective, this isn't a horror story. It is a horror story from a different perspective, however, which is where we go into spoilers. The hidden villain of the story, Volo, is experiencing a Lovecraftian horror. First, like many Lovecraftian protagonists, he's an isolated individual, a wandering merchant, who is more concerned with learning. He worships Arceus, though he also feels the world is unfair, which captures the nihilistic indifference towards existence, which is key to Lovecraftian horror. All his efforts are useless and doomed to failure as well, as it is impossible for him to do anything to Arceus. And the knowledge he gained from delving deeper into the truth of knowing of Arceus' existence only leads him to madness.